The United Kingdom is made up of England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. England is in the southern part of Great Britain and is the largest country in the UK. The capital of England is London. It's also the capital city of the UK. It stands on the River Thames. Official language is English. St. George's Cross is the national flag of England, and the red rose is the national symbol. Scotland is in the northern part of Great Britain. The capital of Scotland is Edinburgh, and the largest city is Glasgow. In Scotland, people speak English and Scots. St. Andrew's Cross is the national flag of Scotland, and the thistle is the national symbol. Wales is situated in the southwest of the UK. Cardiff is the capital of Wales. In Wales, people speak Welsh or English. The Welsh flag has a red dragon on it. Red dragon is also a symbol of Wales. If you go to Wales, you'll see red dragons everywhere, on signs, in souvenir shops and flags. Daffodil and leek are the national symbols of Wales. Northern Ireland is located in the northeast of the island of Ireland, and it is a part of the UK. Its capital city is Belfast. St. Patrick's Cross is the national flag of Northern Ireland. The shamrock is the national symbol of Northern Ireland. In Northern Ireland, people speak English and Irish languages.